In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the secret Simpsons Peely skin here in Fortnite the legit way. There's going to be no glitches, no banned tricks, just these steps Epic actually expects you to follow so your account stays clean. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to smash the like if you want V-Buck tips later. Subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, we greatly appreciate it, but let's go ahead and get straight into this. If you don't know, the season is finally here, and it dropped with a ton of fun stuff. Obviously, Peely is the secret skin, but there's also been a bunch of other new reveals, like the Professor Frank style and a handful of other leaked cosmetics. Epic's event quest and creator-made maps are honestly the real path to unlock all of these extra skins, and I'm going to show you how to focus your time so that you can actually grind XP safely. First things first, go ahead and open up your battle pass by going over to this passes tab and selecting the battle pass right here. When you open this up, you're going to see the exact amount of XP you need to get to the next level in this pass. In this section, Epic also does add event quest objectives on key dates. Definitely make sure to pay attention to those dates because this season has a big quest drop on November 11th. Just complete the official quest first, since they are the most reliable form of XP, by going to the quest tab right here and going through these right here. Specifically, the Springfield Stories one are going to level you up pretty quickly. Make sure you're doing these. Second, I recommend obviously playing creative maps, specifically featured creative maps that award XP. Some creator maps are designed to give account XP or event progress for completing objectives, and you can actually find these maps by going to the play section and then just scrolling down a little bit to see what is offered right now. But when you do load a creator map, just play through the objectives, capture points, complete mini missions, or just finish the round. These legitimate in-map objectives that actually reward XP are going to level you up way quicker than doing any quote-unquote XP glitch that you could possibly focus on. Now, while you're playing Battle Royale, what you can do as well is look for secret NPCs and event hubs. Peely and the event NPCs sometimes do appear in the world and do tie into quest or info about special challenges. If a battle pass task points to an NPC, talk to them and follow their questline. Just make sure that you're keeping your game updated so new quests do appear, and make sure you're playing during those featured windows, just because some objectives this season are going to be extremely limited, especially with those like TV events that they are hosting. Just a quick recap, to get the Peely Simpsons skin, what you're going to want to do is go through and just level up as much as possible right now. And on November 11th, when his questline opens up, go ahead and complete these quests and you'll be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.